The Dreo Space Heater. Indoor by Dreo is a versatile and efficient heating solution for indoor spaces. Its special features include an adjustable thermostat ranging from 41 to 95 degree F, ensuring customizable comfort levels. The 70-degree wide oscillation function allows for consistent heat distribution throughout the room, while the LED digital display provides easy-to-read temperature settings. This tower-style heater comes in a sleek black color, blending seamlessly with any decor. Its indoor usage makes it suitable for various living spaces, offices, or bedrooms. The inclusion of a remote control with batteries adds convenience, allowing users to adjust settings from a distance. Safety is paramount with the Dreo Space Heater, as it is equipped with built-in tip-over protection, giving users peace of mind during operation. Overall, this product combines functionality, style, and safety features, making it a reliable heating option for anyone seeking comfort and warmth in indoor environments.